Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing for you today. I've got a little box, so apparently there are no shoes in here. I originally was scheduled for my Stitch Fix the end of March, but I got an email from Stitch Fix which had a really cute outfit in it, which inspired me to bump my box a little sooner. And it was, I think the email was titled something like Endless Summer or something like that. And it was a really cute summer dress that was spaghetti strap that tied at the top, and it was light blues, and it had a pair of slides and a summer hat, and it spoke to me. We are going to Hawaii in April, and I thought that would be the perfect complete outfit for Hawaii with the hat and the shoes and the dress. So I reached out to my stylist at Stitch Fix, and I let her know that we were going to Hawaii, and I got this emailed, whatever the title was, Endless Summer, and I loved that entire outfit and would love to have that in my box. And so they sent me a preview, and I pretty much turned down just about everything because there was nothing in there that really was, you know, tropical weather. And in addition to that, there were a pair of really short shorts, which I don't wear anymore. And so I don't know what she's replaced it with, but I'm going to open this box with you. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, they are a styling subscription service. You fill out a profile online and you set up however often you would like to receive your boxes, and they will curate a box specific to your taste and whatever your needs are. The styling fee is $20, and that is applied towards any purchase that you should make. And you just keep what you like and you send what you don't like back. And if you don't like anything, you can send it all back. There's no obligation. Stitch Fix has been a hit or miss for me. I do still enjoy receiving their boxes. I do prefer Front Door Fashion and Trunk Club, but I still like to get my Stitch Fix. And so we'll see what she's put in the box. I did read the note, and she was saying that she did not know what email I received, but I gotta believe they sent out a mass email to everyone, Endless Summer or whatever the title was. So I think with a little research, she could have found that out. And so I really wanted everything that was in that picture. So sadly, she said she couldn't do that for me. So she tried to get some other things that reminded her of Hawaii that she thought that I might be able to use. So if you would like to try Stitch Fix, I will put a link below in the description box for $25 off your first box if you would like to try it. And thank you, whoever used my link. I am able to enjoy a $25 off coupon as well. So thank you for using my link. I really, really appreciate that. And if this is something that you enjoy, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's jump into this. So I'm going to put this box down. And how I'm going to do it is just try everything on, and then as I try it on, I'll show it to you and then go over the make and the price and all that. So the first thing I have on is this top. It did look like there were 3 tops, 1 dress, and 1 white denim jacket. So this top is really cute. It has a tie around, it just starts from the side and ties at the front. And it's kind of like this navy color with these pops of pink and orange flowers. Very, very pretty floral. It has kind of a scoop neck. These are my own jeans, but I thought I would pair it with a white pair of jeans. That's how I would probably wear it in Hawaii when we go. But what do you think? It's kind of cute. I do like the fact that it's It's got this tie around the waist. It's kind of a crepey fabric. It's probably polyester. I like the length of the sleeves. I do like the colors. I love this pink flower. Let me get the price for you. All right, so this top is, it's called it's by West Key. It's called the Julian tie front blouse in navy for $44. The price is definitely right. $44 I think is a reasonable price. It's cute. I don't know if I absolutely love it or not. Give you another look at it. All right, I'm going to go on to try on the next top for you. I have my next top on. I like these colors a lot better. I think the floral print is pretty. It's not too small. I wouldn't want a super fine print floral, but then I don't want it too big or too small. So I kind of like the size of the print in this. And again, I have it paired with my own white jeans. These are from a Front Door Fashion I got probably last year, but I think it's a really pretty top. I'll untuck it so you can see the length. I think it looks really pretty tucked in as a front tuck, as well as it being out. And with these particular jeans, I like the front tuck just because of the button detail. But it is like a polyester fabric. It is not lined, but it's thick enough where it's not see-through. And I love this little V-neck without it being too low. And then, I don't know if you can see, there is some pleating detail down the front as well. And I do not have the right bra on. I apologize. I tried to tuck it under. I think I would have to wear a racer back bra with this, but I think this is really pretty. I could wear this with shorts. I could wear it with a skirt. So I see myself getting a little bit more wear out of this on a hot day. I do really like these colors. Now this top is by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Brayson pleat detail split neck in red for $58. Very pretty. I love this blue color. I think it's very pretty. I think it's flattering on most people as well. It does have the smaller floral print. It's pretty, but I don't know if I love it. But it is a pretty top. It's, you know, nice length sleeve. I like the shape of the sleeve. It has a button kind of keyhole back. And I think, again, this is something I could wear with a white pair of shorts. I could wear with a skirt. I do have things I could wear with this with. I think it's really pretty. And most of all, I love this color. I'm not a big fan of the print, but the color is really, really pretty. This is by CC Sportswear. It's called the Sheridan Flutter Sleeve Top in blue for $68. Pretty. I've got the next outfit on. This is a dress, and it is a nice, comfortable, stretchy dress. I do like the colors and the pattern on this, and I really love the neckline. It's got some piping along the edge, and I just think it's a really pretty neckline. And this would be really comfortable on a hot day. And then it's got kind of different color hemline. I think it's really pretty. It fits well, and I can see myself wearing this. This is just a really comfortable dress, and it also, this box came with a white denim jacket, so I'm going to try that on with this next, so hang on. All right, so I've got the denim jacket on with the dress, and I think the denim jacket is cute. It's nice and stretchy, which I love. It's lightweight and really stretchy. I mean, I don't know if you can see that stretch, but I love that because it just is so comfortable. Now it may be, I think I might need to size down. This is a small, and I normally am an extra small, so it is quite big. I might see if they have this available in a smaller size, because pretty much everything goes with white denim, and I need a white denim jacket, so I think this would be really cute to add to my wardrobe, and I think I would get a lot of wear out of it. So I'm going to see if they have this in a smaller size. This jacket is by Liverpool. It's the Colton denim jacket in white for $88. And then the dress is by Magnolia Grace, Alhambra embroidered, and the words are cut off. I don't know what comes next. So it's the Alhambra embroidered something. In blue for $74. So I think that's pretty reasonable. Out of this whole box, I think this dress and the red top are my two favorites. And the jacket, if I could get it in a smaller size. The total of my box is $332, and if you buy all pieces you get a 25% discount, which would be $83. However, I don't think I'll be getting all 5 pieces. I don't love them that much, so I think the dress and the red blouse are probably the 2 items I'm going to get. And I do have a Front Door Fashion that has shipped. It's on its way, and so I might see when that is supposed to be delivered and hold off on sending my Stitch Fix back until I get my Front Door Fashion, because they too are going to style my box based on my trip to Hawaii and things that I could wear on a tropical vacation. So there very well could be, they don't give you a preview, so I have no idea what's in there, but I could very well have a white denim jacket, in which case I would just want to see before I, exchange this, just as a comparison. So fingers crossed I get that tomorrow. But I don't know. I have a tracking number, but I can't seem to be able to track it. So they do send theirs out FedEx Express, so hopefully tomorrow I'll receive it. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed my Stitch Fix. I am really excited about this dress. I really, really like it. And stay tuned for my upcoming Front Door Fashion. Those are fabulous videos because they send so many pieces, and I am super, super excited to get that and unbox it with you. So hope all is well, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.